Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'll show you a tutorial on how to make this cute lollipop holder with your Cricut. You will find a link to this SVG below. You will need a cardboard, Cricut tools, and a glue stick. Cut out the shapes with your Cricut. A little advice. Before cutting the project, try to choose the best possible arrangement of the parts on the paper, so that you can leave some leftover paper for your future projects. Cut out the small parts. Now let's move to the most fun part, and it's connecting the pieces. Add glue to the layers one by one as shown in the video. Don't forget to repeat on the other side of the project. And glue the small parts. Connect the upper parts of the product with the glue and leave it under pressure for a while. And it's done! Try it yourself. Insert your favorite lollipop and give a joy to your kids or friends with this cute project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a thumb up if you like this video. See you in the next crafting project. Bye!